Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have our screen recording visible. For me it is right over here, but if for you it's on some different page, you might need to swipe to the left to see obviously other pages. Anyway, once you see this toggle, which should be added by default, simply tap on it, then select OK. Once you tap on this overlay, it gets automatically stopped, saved to your gallery. So let's open up our Photos application. There we go. So we can play it back. Now, unfortunately on this device it is being stored under Photos, so basically where you have all your photos, videos and whatever you have captured, and by the looks of it, it doesn't create an album, or you don't actually have access to albums, but it is stored in an album called Movies, which again, in that album you'll find things like your video recordings from your camera, selfie recordings, and downloaded media like TV shows and stuff like that, along with screen recordings. So it might be a little bit harder to find it down the line. But for me, I only have one, and you can see it right over here. Now it does also record audio by default, meaning the voice audio. That's kind of where you heard that, though the actual quality of the sound isn't necessarily the best. And it's also picking up some minute noises that you do when you interact with the device itself. Now there should be options in here if we hold the toggle, so let's see. And yes, we do. So the options here are very minuscule. We can record microphone, device audio, and touches on the screen. And that's about it. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.